Raneytown was my nickname in college and also moving into graduate school, and it's become this word place that I use to describe my imagination. And as I work, I start to sort of flesh out the people that are there, what the landscape is like, what they're doing, and the more I draw and work and make art, if it fits in Raneytown, it sort of fills out the world a little bit more. The way everything begins is with drawing, and I spend a lot of time working with this particular paper and ink. And these drawings are my hair drawings, and I dedicated a lot of love hours into just carefully drawing the strands of hair and thinking about the patterns. And so these are a bunch of characters, friends in Raneytown. I consider them to be sort of portraits of real people. So these drawings are on panel, which is a big innovation for me. I started taking the same drawings that I've always made, same ink, on paper, but tried to make them a little bit more solid and more object-like. And something funny happened when I switched to panels. I started drawing a little bit faster and a little bit looser. So these guys are a little bit more light and airy and kind of fun. I think of the drawings as photographs, and I feel like they're actually documenting the world of Raneytown. And that kind of documentation helps me decide what kind of sculptures to make. So I begin with all this intricate hair and thinking about all these hairstyles. And then when it comes to making my sculptures, I give them all the same bob hair, this big ball of faux fur that's really fluffy and really unstylish, because I think that's what suits them. I don't think they should have ponytails and braids. I think they should just have like a helmet of furry, fluffy hair. The other sort of secret thing that I would want to share with people is that all of their faces and their skins are hand embroidered, and a circle like this is about 2 hours, and then it kind of goes on from there. And I've been doing embroidery and sewing since I was really small and getting sort of secretly good at it. And somehow I had it brought to my attention that I should really start bringing the embroidery into the work. And when I did, all of a sudden I was able to make these sculptures with these faces that express their ideas and thoughts. So because I can't show their brain, I kind of just put their synapses and cells and ideas and thoughts all smack on their faces.